Welcome. My name is Darius, and today we will say a very powerful prayer of deliverance. Join me in prayer right now if you believe in the mighty power of God.
Last week, while casually walking through the city, I stumbled over a trash can near a restaurant and found a crumpled piece of paper. It turned out to be a powerful prayer promising blessings and abundance. After reciting it, I felt a surge of hope. Soon after, I stumbled upon a significant sum of money, and more unexpectedly arrived in my bank account later that day. Convinced it was the prayer's doing, I'm eager to share it. Take a moment to center yourself, then recite the prayer. 20-minute money prayer. In the silent corners of the universe where stars weave their invisible threads, I cry out for blessings and abundance. May my voice be imbued with color, echoing through the corridors of destiny. May my words manifest into reality. May the flow of life lead me to tranquil waters and fertile fields. May closed doors open before me, and may the light of opportunity illuminate my path, dispelling the shadows of adversity. With every step I take, may I be guided by confidence in the destiny I seek for myself. May the generosity of the universe reveal itself in every aspect of my life. May the wind carry treasures hidden in existence to my doorstep. May my journey be filled with joy, love, and fulfillment. May my life overflow with abundance, prosperity, and humility. I accept these blessings graciously and share them with the world around me. May my gratitude be a perpetual flame, nourishing the energy that flows from the heart of the universe. May I repay those I encounter with joy and compassion, learning and growing through challenges with courage and perseverance. May I recognize that difficulties are fleeting moments, each obstacle harboring an opportunity for growth. May love permeate every fiber of my being, radiating outward to all. May my steps be guided by intuition and truth, aligning with my deeper purpose. May the abundance that flows into my life become a source of generosity for all beings. May I understand that we are all interconnected, and may this awareness drive my actions. Every act of kindness ripples through time and space. With hands outstretched to the universe, I reaffirm this prayer. May its words permeate every cell of my being. May synchronicity dance around me, weaving the threads of destiny into a magnificent tapestry. I am grateful for what I receive and what I am able to give. May I live with an open heart, ready to accept the gifts that life presents. May the magic of alignment between my will and the flow of the universe continue to astonish and inspire me. I surrender to this prayer, confident in the journey that unfolds before me. May change be my ally, and love be my guide. May I bear witness to the infinite generosity of the cosmos and actively participate in the creation of my destiny. So be it. Amen.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Watch this important message right now.